One of our clients a few years ago was doing some work on a house renovation project and unfortunately fell off a ladder from a fairly significant height, landed on his back, and suffered some very, very serious and traumatic back and neck injuries. It required 3 or 4 surgeries over the course of several years. We sued on his behalf, sued the owner, contractor regarding the property. Ultimately, because the defendants didn't come to the table in a reasonable way, in our opinion, we went to trial, and over the course of several weeks the case got tried, and the jury ultimately agreed with us and came back with a verdict of $12.2 million at behalf of our client. It was incredibly rewarding because our client deserved every penny that the jury awarded him, and we were thrilled to get this outcome for our client. His life is forever altered. He'll never be the same. He'll never walk the same way again. He'll never have a day in his life that is without pain, and it was rewarding, to say the least, to get this compensation for our client after 5 or 6 years of a hard-fought case. Ultimately, we secured for our client an 8-figure sum that was significantly more than what the defendants had ever offered before the trial.